90-Day Fiancé, Paul Staehle and Karine Staehle. Paul Staehle and Karine Staehle have been one of the most controversial couples in the 90-Day Fiancé show. The couple had a complex and challenging journey throughout the marriage. As for viewers, many of them believe that Karine is the main reason for this failed marriage. She has accused Paul of domestic violence as well as sexual assault and also got a restraining order against him. Facing these problems, Karine ran away from the house of Paul Staehle and lived with her fan and translator for a short period. However, the couple solved their issues and started residing in Brazil. Karine also stated that she apologized to Paul for her false accusations and blamed her translator for misunderstanding her language. The Kentucky resident Paul Staehle also noted that the translator Karine hired had a plan to kill him. This may be one of the main reasons the couple has denied returning to the 90-Day Fiancé show. Most viewers are happy to see the 90-Day Fiancé couple living and enjoying their comfortable life in Rio de Janeiro. What happened to Karine Staehle and her affair with a criminal? In October of 2020, a random fan page posted Karine Staehle and her alleged boyfriend Jason at Crown Hotel. The fan page stated that the couple was entering the hotel in the middle of the night and their elder son, Pierre. By listening to this news, many viewers thought that the second son, Ethan, was Jason's son instead of Paul Staehle, but the rumor was fake as she was already pregnant when she met Jason. Talking about Jason, he has a long record of different criminal accusations such as terrorist threats, vandalism, disturbing peace, and violation of parole. Jason was initially determined to marry Karine and was also demanding the custody of their eldest son, Pierre. However, it did not work out and both of them split up. Looking at the Staehle family, the couple is having the time of their life and enjoying their time with family and friends in Brazil. Many viewers believe in Jason being the main reason for the couple denying to return to the United States of America and the 90-Day Fiancé show.